Okay, so today we're going to go to 8.4, finding the volume and surface area of spheres. The volume of a sphere with a radius of r units is given by the following formula. So the formula for surface area or volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, or you could do 4 pi r cubed divide by 3. It means exactly the same thing. Just like when we do multiply by 1/3 or divide by 3, it's the same thing. So an iron ball has a diameter of 6 centimeters. Find the volume of the ball to the nearest cubic centimeter. So they round us to the whole number. Okay, so they're telling us that we have a diameter of 6. So that means our radius is 3. Okay, so the formula is 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. So that's going to be 4 times 3.14 times 3 to the third power divided by 3. So remember, when you're on your calculator to do to the third power, you're going to hit the caret button and then plug a 3 in. So you're going to do, when you plug all that in, you get 113.04, and when you round that to the whole number, it's going to be 113 centimeters cubed. Okay, so then we go on to the last one. While on vacation, Mike buys a sphere made of polished agate. The volume of the sphere is 65.42 cubic inches. What is the radius of the sphere to the nearest tenth? Okay, so this time we're going to have to work backwards. So we have volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, so volume is 65.42 equals 4/3 3.14. We don't know r cubed. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to get rid of the fractions. So we're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 4/3, which is 3/4. That means that's all going to cancel out. And we're going to do the same thing over here, 3/4. So 3/4 times 65.42 is going to give us 49.065 equals 3.14 times r cubed. Okay, so we want to get r cubed alone, so we're going to have to divide both sides by 3.14. Those are going to cancel out, so you're going to get r cubed equals 15.625. But we don't want r cubed, we want r. So now we're not going to take the square root because it's a cube root, so we're going to take the cube root this time. And remember, you have to hit second function, caret, and then hold on, let me try this. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug in the 3 first, then you're going to hit second function, caret, and then you're going to put in the 15.625. And then you get your answer, which is r equals 2.5 inches. Okay, so again, you're going to plug in the 3, then you're going to hit second function, then you're going to hit the caret, and then you're going to plug in the number, which is 15.625, and then you're going to hit equals, and you should get the 2.5 inches. All right, last two. Okay, so now we're doing surface area. So a sphere has a radius of 3 centimeters. What is the surface area of the sphere? Okay, so surface area equals 4 pi r squared. So 4 times 3.14 times 3 to the second power. Okay, you plug all that in your calculator, and you get surface area equals 113.04 centimeters squared, and it's squared since it's area. All right, a tennis ball has a surface area of this. What is the radius? So this one you have to work backwards. I'm going to turn it off. We've done about 10 of these now in all the problems we've been doing. So I'm going to turn it off for a minute and have you try this one on your own, and then we'll go over it. Okay, so first thing I did was plug all the numbers into the formula. So surface area is 4 pi r squared. So I plug in the surface area, 14,095.46 equals 4 times 3.14 times r squared. So then I can combine or multiply 4 times 3.14, which gives me 12.56. So I have 14,095.46 equals 12.56 r squared. This should be a squared. Now I need to get r squared alone. So in order to get r squared alone, we need to undo the multiplication with division. So I divide both sides by 12.56. These ones cancel out. And then I get 1,122.25 equals r squared. But we don't want r squared, we just want r. So the square root of 1,122.25 gives me 33.5 millimeters is my radius. Okay, have a good night, see you tomorrow.